Hi friends. Welcome to Renati. We introduce you multipurpose grass cutter, woodchipper cum food processor machine which can help small to medium farmers. Let's talk about the functioning. In this machine, you can chop different types of grass for the cattles, whether it is dry or green. But the cutting quality doesn't change at all. Don't compare the machine with its size, it can also cut sugar canes and turn them into cattle's feed. And many more crops which can be used to make cattle's feed, can be processed through the machine. Now move next. It grinds different grains and lentils. The whole maize can be crushed as well. Now cattle's feed solution is at your doorstep. This machine looks small but works very efficiently. Moreover, the gas-powered engines can be installed when run out of electricity. Now you have option to use it in remote areas as well. Let the work be done. For more details, kindly reach us at the following number.